Why do we get pimples? Pimples are caused due to the activity of sebaceous gland present inside our skin. Follicle shape. Here, sebaceous gland. This gland produces an oily substance called sebum. Sebum comes up to the skin surface through a pore, moisturizes our hair and skin. However, sometimes the pores get blocked due to dead skin cells. Due to this blockage, sebum gets accumulated, creating a bump. As sebum is a very good surface of nutrients for the bacteria in our skin, they start to grow in that area, leading to an infection. Our immune system responds to this infection by sending blood and immune cell. Blood makes the area red, whereas the immune cell kills the bacteria, resulting in inflammation and formation of a pimple. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel.